Now the music too they come. So your man go quiet small. Make I go enter the timeline to be like right now. Asem 10 sports journalist. He 10 sports presenter. Moku go listen to one Asem.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
Hello people, welcome back to your favorite channel. We'll be here where we give you all the gist, all the filler. You go get all for you. Wait, today we there online, eh? Where we check, I check the feed, I check. Where I see Ghanaian rapper, you know, our very own hip life rapper back in the day, back in the 2000s. Asem, they on the timeline top the trend for X. Where I say, oh, make I just click go check what they go on. Boy, I go check. Asem, known for give me blow. ASEM, Asem, go carry matakam. Asem akwakofa Asem aba. Not just that, be like the Asem self, then it be Richie go bring the Asem long time ago. I mean, you know, back in the day, Asem used to be on Links Entertainment. He was like the buzzing artist back then. He and Richie will start this whole thing together at some point. And, you know, your man left the record label top. We a good day on key small. As a good day on Kiro, we think say, oh, at least Asem go to give him more bangers like he dropped back in the day, like Pigaro, Give Me Blow, School the B, Class the Ball, and all those things. Your man go, Charlie, we know the hear from him again, oh, after so many years. So, I mean, you've left the label, you go there on key, they chill and things. Now the music too they come. So your man go quiet, small. Make I go enter the timeline to be like right now, Asem 10 sports journalist. He 10 sports presenter. They give you updates for what they go on for WWE wrestling, no. Asem they give you updates for there. It's not they give you update for EPL and things. Man, how did we get here? How did this happen? Because make I tell you, like back in the day, Asem was the A show, bro. Like Asem was the matter. Because on the airwaves, pubs, clubs, everywhere, your man, he be music with the go. Until, you know, he decided to leave Links, flew abroad. We're hoping that abroad, you know, artists they go there abroad, you know, they figure it easy, but you know really easy like that. But right now, he don't just they do this. He just know they give live update. He say very soon they go open weather forecast channel as well. So right now, at one Asem, he's multi-talented. Aside the music, he drop small way. He no really be active. He be weather forecaster. He be sports journalist as well. He gets other channels where he run. So you make we go watch this particular one where they give we in sports presentation skills. Your man they give we sports presentation skills. Moku go listen to one Asem. Charlie, see, if you go to the timeline top, everybody make disappointed. Everybody be like, oh, Charlie, how did this fall off happen like this? You say? For real, like right now, I'll be like, we from want to me for go pack the rest of in gold, right? The rest of in gold where he left, wherever he did. Make we change him into money, go fly Asem, come back. Maybe you can't do sports presentation for want to me sports. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe some, you know, they give you English, right? So maybe like some joy news no go bad. Like George Ado Dems they do before. George Ado Judah Dems they do before we they fly go the UK. Because, man, but this talent to no bad though. I don't know what you think. Make I hear for the comment section because I mean, this particular talent to no bad. But he said make we watch out for the weather forecasting channel. He go to give we weather forecast across the whole world. So if you go rain for Ghana, one a legendary Asem go they give we weather updates. So let's look out for that because the music, Charlie, na you know no 200 na you know say all the bank kanka loading music loading but see an there it is sports presentation weather forecasting. I should say Betty save the inside because he dey see the upsets with Chelsea and the other teams they cause and things. So guys, this be one Asem. The Asem akwa fa any Asem akwa fa Asem way abadia eja ebenne. Yenso Musa, but I think this will be one of the biggest followers for our music industry, man. Because, yo, Asem was the ish, bro. Asem pick fights with R2B's dames, like it no be now, like serious fight too. He didn't start calling them a rivalry. No be now, bro. But here we are. We 10 weather forecasters and sports presenters. So very soon, watch out. BBC News. You know, UEFA Champions League. we go show up. We go do presentation for the guys. I hired the BBC. Charlie, make an end up for you. I will see you in another episode. Yeah, enjoy. Make us see you for the comment section.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.